This is a video inspection of a 2007 Haas VF-5XT. It's a 30 horsepower machine with a 2-speed gearbox, 7,500 RPM, 1,200 inches per minute. We've got a 30 pocket side mount tool changer. Right now we're rapiding the axes at 25%. This is 50%. This is 100%. And now we'll run the spindle. Now we're running the spindle at 2,500 RPM. RPM. 7,500 RPM. Back down to 2,500 RPM. And the gear change back to 1,000 RPM. And now we'll do a quick walk around the machine. Again, VF5, 30 horsepower. Somebody added a little pocket here to get a little bit of overhang on the table. Side mount tool changer. And again, this is a 2007 serial number 1061941. And inside the machine. Also, this machine does have the remote jog handle.